Yes. So today also our topic is decimals only, and yeah, we are going to get a good practice of working on the decimals, concept of decimals. Okay, Debyanshi, and let's see if anybody else has joined in. So how has your Sunday morning been up till now, Janisha and Debyanshi? Y'all can type it in the chat and let me know. Okay, we'll just wait for a minute more, after which we will begin. Yes. Okay, whoever's joined in now, y'all can put a hi in the chat. In the meanwhile, okay, I guess we can begin. So Debyanshi and Janisha, I can only see y'all both uh, there available in the session. So let's begin. Okay. All right. So welcome to Me and Math once again. And today our topic, our chapter that we are going to work on is decimals. Okay. We are going to work on decimals. So let's start with the very first question that we have. Okay. Here is my very first question, which reads like this. Okay. Using the given clues, find the value of circle plus circle. Okay. Using the given clues, find the value of circle plus circle. हमें circle plus circle का value ढूंढना है. Okay. We have Satish also over here. Okay. Welcome, Satish. Good afternoon. So I have already started the first question. Kindly read it and start working on it. Okay. तो हमें ढूंढना है circle plus circle का value क्या है. What is the value of circle plus circle? They have given us the clues that three squares, when we add three squares, we get 15.9. When we add a square and a cube, we get 21 point, sorry, when we multiply square plus cube, we get 21.2, and cube multiplied by circle, we get 1.5. So then you have to find out what is circle plus circle. Okay. So I am giving you all a couple of minutes. Let's see who answers first. But of course, as I always say, answering first is not what we have to aim for. Your effort counts and your understanding of the concept counts. So we have Janisha, Debyanshi, and Satish. Okay. So yes, let's quickly start working on the concept, on the question. Okay, I'm still waiting, children. Is it that challenging question? No worries. Yes, let's see. Oh God, children, I'm waiting. Come on, hurry up. I'm waiting for your answer. I can't see anybody replying. किसी का भी आंसर अभी तक चैट में आया नहीं है. What is the option? What is the correct option over here? A, B, C or D? Okay, I guess let's start working on it together. Okay, so now हमें क्या ढूंढना है? सर्कल प्लस सर्कल ढूंढना है. तो अब इन्होंने हमको क्या बोला है? पहला क्लू क्या है? What is the first clue? Square plus square equals to 15.9, which obviously makes 3 squares equal to 15.9. So I can simply find the value of square by dividing 15.9 by 3. Yes? Okay. So what do I get? 5.3 as the answer. So square equals to 5.3. Now over here, square multiplied by cuboid equals to, cube equals to 21.2, right? So I can simply replace, I know the value of square, so I can replace it. Okay, 5.3 multiplied by the cube that we have, right? Equals to 21.2, which makes it easy for me to find the value of cube now. Cube equals to 21.2 divided by 5.3, which further equals to, okay, I've already got the answers. So Satish says C is correct. Aridipta says C. Mandal says C. And okay, Satish, why stop? Anyways, I'm explaining, so don't worry, okay? Okay, so now 21.2 divided by 5.3 equals to simply 4. So my cube, the value of cube is 4. Okay, value of square, sorry, it doesn't look like a square, please. Just give me a benefit of doubt here. Okay, so this is my square. Fine. Okay, I've corrected it. So square equals to 5.3. The cube, the value of cube, okay, equals to 4, right? So now here in the third clue, what does it say? Cube multiplied by circle equals to 1.5, right? Similarly, we can find the value of circle. So it is 4 multiplied by circle equals to 1.5, right? So what will be my circle equal to? So here my circle will be equal to 1.5 divided by 4. Okay. So 1.5 divided by 4 equals to 0.375. Okay. So my value of circle is 0.375. But what have they asked me? They have asked me circle plus circle. So I have to simply add the value of circle, that is 0.375, plus 0.375, which equals to 0.75. So this gives me the option C as the correct answer. Very good, Satish. Very good, my other children who have given the correct answer. Aryaditya has given the option C. Mandal has given the option C. Yes. Okay. Great job. Great job. So, Divyanshi, yes. So, my final answer is 0.75, which is option C. Right? So, yes, most of y'all gave me the correct answer. Good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, wonderful. So, it was a bit tricky, but then y'all managed finding the answer. So, that was not an issue. Okay. Yes, Janisha also gave the option C. So, good job. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Now, let's come to the next question, which reads as find the missing value. 2.25 divide by 9 plus 1/1/8 minus 6.5 into 0.2 equals to how much multiplied by 1 upon 4. ओके हमें यहाँ पे ये ढूंढना है यहाँ पे क्या वैल्यू आएगी ओके सो दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट एंड लेट्स सी how do you all find out and how do you all how quickly you all can do it. Come on. So I'm giving you all 3 minutes. Let's work it out and find out what is the answer to this. Am I getting the answers very slow? You guys are only typing it slow. Hmm. Okay, children. Nobody has put the answer yet in the chat. Okay, now I'm getting it. Okay. B Mandal has written B as the answer. Okay. We'll check it in a while. Let's see if anybody else is also giving the answer. Come on, we can be faster, children. Is decimal that kind of a challenging topic? Yeah, I guess adding and multiplication could be a little challenging, but I'm sure we can do faster. Okay, yes, here I get Janisha's answer as option B. Okay, so yeah, let's find out what is the correct answer. So the question reads as first, which says 2.25 divided by 9 plus 1 upon 8 minus 6.5 multiplied by 0.2. So we are going to solve them step by step. Okay. So as we follow BODMAS, right? So we always do the division, multiplication, and the mixed fraction first. Then at the end, we do the addition, subtraction. So let's start with division. So 2.25 divided by 9 gives me 0.25. Okay, so 2.25 divided by 9 gives me 0.25 plus 8 ones are 8, 9. So this fraction is 9 upon 8. When I divide that and put it into decimals, I get 1.125. Okay, and now minus 6.5 into 0.2, which gives me 1.3. Okay, which equals to something multiplied by 1 upon 4. Okay, now I simply have to add and subtract these numbers, which finally gives me, so 0.25 plus 1.125 equals to 1.375 minus 1.3. Okay, once again, it equals to something multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now, 1 upon 375 minus 1.3 equals to 0.075, and this side remains the same. Okay, but now if you see, I have to find out this uh, blank. Okay, this is the missing number. So now this is multiplied by 1 upon 4, 4 which is there in the denominator. I can get it on the other side and multiply it by 0.075, which ultimately equals to 0.3. So my answer is option B, which is absolutely correct. Dibyanshi and Janisha, you all both gave the correct answer. Yes, then Satish also gave the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Yes, Satish, we obviously, these are kind of questions which will be asked to you all in your exams, in your Olympiad exams. So they are questions relevant to the topic that we are doing. They are challenging, but I'm sure you all are going to get to learn something new, and you all are going to build up your understanding of the concept more. Okay, so don't worry, they are a bit challenging. We understand, but we all can do it. Yes, we all are capable enough and smart enough to give me the answers correctly. Okay, let's move on to the third question. So it says if star plus circle dot is equal to 34.03 kg and star plus circle is equal to 39,590 grams. So then what do you have to find out? Star plus circle equals to how much? Yes, I'm really happy that you all are enjoying doing these challenging sums. It is definitely going to help you all build your thinking skills and yes, make you all better at the concept. Okay, so yes, let's solve this question. Let's solve this question. Okay, children. Let's see if we are able to get the answer to this question. This is definitely a tricky one. Oh my God, I've already got answers. So you all are saying option B is the correct answer. Debyanshi says option B, and sorry, I forgot Arya's crazy world. Who is this? And okay, Banhishika also gives the answer as B. Oh my God, what a name! Nice. Okay, all right, let's find out what is the correct answer, whether option B is the correct answer or not. Okay, this I definitely agree. It was a bit challenging, but let's see whether you all have been able to get it right or not. Okay, so we start with the first one. So here I won't be able to draw the star exactly the way it is. I'm just going to draw my own star. So star plus circle equals to 34.03 kg. Okay, I'm going to keep this as it is. The second statement is star plus circle equals to 39,590 grams, which I can convert into kgs. Yes. So this will give me 39.59 kg. Okay. So clear up till here? I have just converted these grams into kg. Okay. Now, let me take this first equation, okay, first statement, which says plus star plus circle equals to 34.03 kg. Okay, so if I have, let's say 1 plus 2, what will it be equal to? 4. Okay, but if I want to leave 2 alone, 2 equals to 4 minus 1 minus 1. Am I right? I can write it like this also. The same. So following this, I am going to convert this statement and keep my circle aside. So my circle here equals to 34.03 minus star minus star. Okay, so clear up till here. This is the example. Following this example, I am just converting this statement to keep my circle aside to find out what is the value of circle. Okay, now clear up till here. So I'm writing it over here. My circle equals to 34.03 minus star minus star. Okay, all right. Now I am going to replace these three circles. Let me erase the rest of the things so that we don't get confused. I hope till here everything is clear. My second statement was that star plus 3 times circle equals to 39. Sorry, we'll convert this into kgs. Equals to 39.59 kg. Okay. Now what am I going to do is I am going to replace these three circles with the value that I have found out of circle. Okay, I am going to replace this with the value of the circle that I have found out over here. So now star plus, okay, star plus, can I write this as 3 times circle equals to 39.59 kg, right? Because circle plus circle plus circle equals to 3 times circle. Now, I am going to replace the circle 3 times 34.03 minus star equals to 39.59 kg. I hope till here everything is clear. I hope till here everything is clear. Okay, now I'm going to open the bracket. So here, when I open the bracket, what do I get? Star plus 3 multiplied by 34.03, which equals to 102 plus 09 minus 3 times star minus 3 times star. Okay. So children, I hope everything is clear up till here. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, Satish, I do understand. We are going step by step. That is why I'm going slowly. Okay. And I'm explaining you every step. We found out the value of circle by keeping all the other things on one side. Okay. And in this second equation, I replace the value of circle with this value, what I found. Now, when I put them all together, I get this. Okay, I get this. Now, after finding this out, what do I ultimately get? I put all the stars together. So I'm going to write 102.09, okay, plus star minus 3 star minus 3 star equals to 39.59 kg. Now, if you all know that 1 plus star, so I am going to solve this. Okay, so both of these, they are the values of star. Here it is 1 star and here it is 3 stars. But the signs that they have are different. So in that case, if I have a different sign, what do I write? I will subtract them, right? I will subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. So my greater number is 3. So I am going to write here minus. And 3 minus 1 will give me 2 star. So minus 2 star and minus 3 star. Okay. Which gives me 39.59 kg. Okay. So which remains the same as it is. So finally, what do I get is 102.09 minus. So now I will solve this. Okay, so here it is minus 2 and minus 3. Both have the same sign. So I'm going to simply add them. The operation that I'm going to do is adding. And I get 5 stars equals to 39.59 kg. Okay. Clear up till here, children? Anybody has any doubts? Okay, Satish, you are just sending some all these different emojis. So I'm okay. If you try to understand step by step, you will surely understand it. Okay, go step by step. Starting from here, we found out circle and we replaced, and then we are solving all this. Okay. All right. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to leave 5 star alone, and so this is minus 5 star. Okay. Okay. Wait. So instead of keeping this like this, I will just get 5 star on the other hand. This is positive. This is 102.09. Okay, I'll take this over here and I'll bring this side so that my signs do not change. Okay, so I'm going to just write 39.59. So 102.09 minus 39.59 equals to 5 star. Okay, now when I subtract this, I get 62.5 equals to 5 star. And now I can simply find the value of star by dividing 62.5 by 5, which finally gives me the answer as 12.5. Okay, so I hope it is all clear up till here. After this, the steps are easy. It's very important to understand how did we come here. It's very important that we understand how did we come here. So now what I really need is the value of star, okay, and the value of circle, because at the end I have to find out this. Okay, now I can easily find out the value of circle because I have found the value of star. So I'm writing over here star, the value is 12.5. So children, clear up till here? Y'all can put a thumbs up, yes, no, to let me know. Okay, one by one, step by step, we went like this and we found the value of star. Now we are going to find the value of circle so that we can do our operations and then we can finally find the answer that we are looking for. Okay, very easy. Oh my God, then that's amazing if you are saying it is a very easy sum. So let's quickly now find out the value of the dot, the circle. Okay, you'll have to simply replace it with the value of star and find out. Okay, yes, it did require a lot of working to be done, but it was not too complicated. So now let's find the value of circle. So 34.03 minus 12.5 minus 12.5. Okay, so what do I get when I do this? 34.03 minus 12.5 minus 12.5. So I get 9.03. The value of circle as 9.03. All right, it's clear. Now I have the value of star. Okay, I have the value of circle, 9.03. Now it is very easy to find out this. Okay, so star, which is 3 times. So I am going to write star plus star plus star plus circle equals to how much? So I'm going to replace 12.5 plus 12.5 plus 12.5 plus 9.03 plus 9.03 equals to, now it's easy to find out, okay? So we can simply add them and we can find out 12.5. So the answer that we get is 55.56 kg. So the correct answer is option D. Correct answer is option D. Okay. So I hope it's all clear, children. This was a little complicated, but y'all could definitely solve it. Okay. All right. So clear. I know it was a lengthy process and it took a little while to understand, but then finally we got the answer, and this is how we get the answer. So we separate, we keep the circle alone, and we substitute them in the second equation and find out the star. Once we get the star, we can find out the circle, and once we get the star and the circle, we find out the final answer. So this is how we get it. Yes. Okay. All right, Satish. Good to see that now you're no more confused. So yes, that was how we did it. So congratulations, children. I hope this was something new, or if not even new, if it was confusing, I hope I have solved your doubts. So time to move on to my next question, which goes like this. Don't worry, my further questions are all going to be very easy. They are not that difficult, so it's okay. So here, Warren purchased a book for 18.45, rupees 18.45. Okay, and a pair of shoes for 70.25 rupees and a shirt for rupees 55.75. How much money did Varun spend in all? Oh my god, this is very easy. Come on, quickly. You all have 2 minutes to solve this because we took a lot of time to do the previous sum. I understand, but at the end, I hope everything was clear. So now let's quickly solve this. It's very easy. And tell me what's the answer to this question. Question number 4. Varun purchased a book for rupees 18.45, pair of shoes for rupees 70.25, and a shirt for 55.75 rupees. So in all, how much did he spend? This should not be that difficult to find out. Okay, Satish says option A. Mandal says option C. So what you have to simply do here is, since we have to find out how much did Varun spend in all, I am going to simply add my money that he has spent. So I just have to do the operation of addition over here. And the final answer is okay. So it was simple addition that we had to do, and the correct option is option C, which is rupees 144.45. And yes, Mandal was the no, Banhishika was the first one to give the option C as the correct answer. No. Wait. Banishika was the first one. The guy, Dibyanshi, Janisha, Satish. Okay, cool. Oh, very nice. Okay, interesting. Yes, interesting. Banishka, good way of even explaining and quickly finding out what it is, right? Okay, very good. So shortcuts, yes, we will not really have to add all the digits. We all can just find out the after the decimal point, you can just add up and you just see that only this option has 45. So this is the correct answer. Okay. All right, good job, Banishika. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to the next question. Rohit's car was parked in the parking from 2:30 p.m. to 6:25 p.m. How much does he have to pay? For the first hour, he has to pay 13.20 rupees, and every additional half an hour or part thereof, you have to pay 4.5 rupees, 55 rupees. So total, how much did he pay from 2:30 p.m. to 6:25 p.m.? Okay. रोहित की कार पार्किंग में पार्क की हुई थी 2:30 से लेके 6:25 तक शाम को, और पार्किंग के रेट्स क्या थे? पहले घंटे के 13 रुपीज 20 पैसे, और उसके बाद हर आधे घंटे के एडिशनल चार्ज, दैट इज 4 रुपीज 55 पैसे. Okay, so according to this, what is the total amount? टोटल रोहित ने कितना पे किया जब अगर उसकी कार पार्किंग में 2:30 से लेके 6:25 तक थी? How much did he pay? Okay, I'm waiting for the answers quickly. Okay, so once again, Banishika has replied saying option D is the correct answer. All right, so let's see whether she has given the correct answer or not. So from 2:30, so the first hour, that is from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m., he paid rupees 13.20. Now after that, every half an hour, okay, so that means from 3:30 to 6:25, that gives me how many half an hours? 3:30 to 4, 4 to 4:30, 4:30 to 5, 5 to 5:30, 5:30 to 6, and again 6 to 6:30. 6:25 basically. So it's counted up till 6:30 only. So it was 6 times half an hour. So you have to multiply 6 by 4.55. Okay. And finally, what do you get? That gives me 27.30, which finally equals to 40.50. And option D is absolutely right, Banishika. You're the first one. And congratulations. Very good. So good attempt by all of you all. Whoever's given the option D correct. Banishika, Satish, good job. Yes, Banishika, very good. I'm really liking the way you're giving the explanation as well. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So, which of the following numbers is the greatest? Oh my God, this is very easy and it shouldn't take you more than 5 seconds. Which of the following is the greatest number? Okay, now let's answer this question number 6. Greatest among all of these decimals. Okay, all right. So, if you observe the numbers after decimal, okay, the first number is to 0, so that is same. After decimal, all the numbers have 6. Okay, so we'll move on to the 100th place. This was the 10th place. The 10th place was all the same. Now let's come to the 100th place. So here it is 4, 0, and 3. So here, since 4 is the greatest, so that is why B is my correct option. Yes, absolutely right, Satish. Janish, no, Banishika. Yes. So according to this, option B is the correct answer. Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. Now let's move on to the next question that reads like this. 100 multiplied by 26.25 is same as what? is same as what? This is also easy. You should hardly take a few seconds to answer this. 100 multiplied by 26.25 is same as option A, B, C, or D. Oh my God, Banishika is in full swing and she's answering, giving her answers very quickly. Very good. Yes, option D is absolutely right. So even if so when I say 100 multiplied by 26.25, that means it gives me the answer as 2625. Because if I multiply, my decimal goes off. Now, if I say 26, okay, 1 second, let me write it down over here. So this equals to 2625. Now, when I say 26250 divide by 10, that also gives me 2625.0, which is the same as the other. Right? So option D is the correct answer. Very good, Banishika and Satish. So keep up the good job. Very good. Very good. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8, which reads like this. In the first year, the total amount earned from the sale of tickets for a play is this. First year, इतनी कमाई होती है. In the second year, the amount goes up to 9,635.65. So second year, he goes up to this amount. And in the third year, it is rupees 152 less than what it was in the second year. So what is the total amount in all the 3 years that he has earned? Total amount, where the operation is simply obvious. But yes, you have to find out first how much did he earn in the third year? And then you have to simply add them all. Okay, Banishika has given the option B. Okay, what about the others? It's simple. Come on. So first year he earned 7,580.95, right? Second year he earned rupees 9,635.65. Correct? Third year, what have they said? That he earned 152 rupees less than what he earned in the second year. So here it will be 9,635.65 minus 152, which gives me okay, which gives me rupees 9,483.65. So when I add all of these, I get rupees 26,700.25. So my final answer is option D, Banishika. Okay, you've given me a long explanation. So option D is the correct answer as given by Satish. We can only do it through the only decimal place. So if we add 95.65, it is coming two places, 250. Okay. Everything does not really work out as taking the shortcuts. But yes, we have to simply add over here. Just find out the third year amount and then add all of the three answers. We get option D as the correct answer. Okay. All right. But good attempt. Good attempt. Satish gave the correct answer first. And yeah, option D is the correct answer. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next one. A tin can hold 17.8 liter of oil. How many such tins will be required to hold 213.6 liter of oil? ओके एक टिन में 17.8 लीटर ऑफ ऑयल आ सकता है ओके मेरे पास 213.6 लीटर ऑयल है तो उसके लिए मुझे कितने टिन्स चाहिएंगे यस ओके यू गेट योर ओन मिस्टेक दैट्स वेरी गुड बानिशिका that shows that you understood the concept well okay all right now let's quickly find out the answer to this in one tin I can hold 17.8 liter of oil. So how many tins I will require to hold 213.6 liter of oil? Okay, once again, Banishika has given me the answer first, but whether it's right or not, we will just check in a while. So one tin, 17.8 liter. So how many tins will hold 213.6 liter? Yeah, so you simply have to divide 213.6 by 17.8 and you get the answer as 2. Okay, so yes, option A is absolutely right as given by Banishika and then Satish. So 12 is the answer to my question over here. I will require 12 such things to hold 213.6 liters of oil. Okay, very good, children. I'm loving the enthusiasm and the way y'all are participating. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, this is a part of a scale. What is the value of x? This is also very easy. Just look at it carefully and you all will be able to find the answer very easily. Come on. Okay, this is a scale. You have to find out what is the value of x. Okay, Satish says option C. Uh, Okay, let's see. So here I have how many? One, two, three, four parts that it is divided in between 9.7 to 9.8. Okay, now if I find out the value of this, it will be 9.72 because each line will stand for two such points. right? I cannot put 1 point because in that case I will have to have 10 lines over here, 9 lines at least, 9 lines over here. Sorry. So each line will equal represent two points. So this is 9.74. This is again 9.76, and this is 9.7. So everywhere I am adding two points each. Same way in the other parts also it will come. So here, since I have the number 10, okay, since I have the number 10, here also this is zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.4. So this is going to be 10.04. So my correct option is option B, 10.04 centimeter. Yes, as given by Banishika, absolutely correct. Option B is the correct answer and not option C. Each line represents 0.02 of the divisions that are done. Okay. So accordingly, here x will be equal to 10.04, which where I have B as the correct answer. All right. Okay. Let's move on to the last question for today because we just have 2 minutes before we wrap up. And here is my question. What is the missing value in the given mathematical statement? What is the missing value in the given mathematical statement? You have to find out this. I have 0.25 multiplied by 12, and here I have 0.25 multiplied by 3 plus 0.25 multiplied by 3 plus 0.25 multiplied by what? So that I can get equal to 0.25 multiplied by 12. Here we do not really require any calculations. You simply have to observe and find out what number is going to come in the blank over there. Okay. Yes, absolutely right. Option C is the correct answer, as given by Janisha and uh, what's her name? Sorry, Banishika. Absolutely correct answer, children. So C, the distributive property, which explains it, and here we have three, so here it will come 6. Okay. All right, children. So this was the last question for today. I hope all of you all enjoyed and understood the concept of decimals much better. So it was wonderful to have all of you in the session, and I love the enthusiasm. So thank you so much for joining in. We'll meet again next Sunday with some new questions, new topic. See you all then. Take care. Bye bye.
Come on, my dear ones, respond your name through